Hello YouTube world, this is Camilla and I'm back with another product review video, and I review these products so you don't have to waste your time just in case they're trash. But if they're great, I'll tell you they're great so you can go out and try them too. So today I'm going to be reviewing the CeraVe Eye Cream, and it comes in a small container like this. And you can purchase this on Amazon, Walmart, and I believe you can purchase it at Target and Ulta as well. But basically, this is a eye repair cream, and I'm reading exactly off the back of the container what it's supposed to do. So it says that it's dermatology, developed with dermatologists. It has a unique formula with three essential ceramides, and that is supposed to help visibly reduce the appearance of dark circles and puffiness, leaving you with a brighter, smoother, and healthier looking eye area. So I've been trying this periodically over the last few months, and I've not personally noticed that it's helped reduce any puffiness around my eyes. Fortunately, I don't have an issue with dark circles. So I really just bought this to help with puffiness, especially on days when I'm tired. So I haven't really noticed a difference, to be honest. It honestly just feels like a great lotion that I put around my eyes. So I guess, if I had to like anything about it kept around my eyes moisturized. But honestly, this is just make sure y'all can see it. This is just the consistency of it. And honestly, when I put it on, it feels just like their daily moisturizing lotion, the one in the pump with the blue writing. It feels just like that. So honestly, I wouldn't purchase this again. I don't feel like it's doing anything great. Um, so I mean, if you've tried this and it worked wonders under your eyes, leave a comment below. Let us know. But in my opinion, it's not giving what it was supposed to give. So I wouldn't recommend you all going out and purchasing it just based on my experience. Um, so that's just it. I'm not gonna drag this out. I didn't like this. Is the only thing I have tried from CeraVe that I just don't like. I'm surprised myself, but I just wouldn't recommend the CeraVe eye cream. That's it. That's all. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.